The world is marching into the future, faster, with shorter windows to make an impact. As leaders, we must learn to keep up. We must learn the art of the shift. We must learn to be agile and courageous, to dream bigger and reach for more. This year at Live2Lead, you will learn how to shift, because we need leaders who aren't just reacting to moments, but responding to opportunities. Carly Fiorina will teach you the art of recognizing the opportunity for a shift. Daniel Pink will teach you the art of knowing the right time to make a shift. Debra Searle will teach you the art of courageously choosing to make the shift. And John C. Maxwell will teach you what kinds of shifts every leader needs to make. This is a day you won't want to miss. Join us at Live2Lead.